Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I like to make greeting cards to give to people, and they also help me relax and de-stress. It makes me and others happy, so it's a win. Today I'm making a card for a friend who needs a little cheer. Pun intended. I started off by stamping this really adorable cheerleader stamp set from Waffle Flower. And once I stamped it, I'm figuring out a plan for the parquet flooring. I want it to look like they're standing in a gym. I drew some horizontal lines and drew staggered vertical lines to mimic a parquet basketball court. And I made little dots on all four corners of the boards to appear like nails. I originally did it in pencil so that I can see what it looked like and see if I wanted it like that. And I was happy with it, so I decided to draw it in permanently with my Micron pen. And the size I used was the 005. I liked the way it turned out. And then I got stumped with what colors to use for their uniforms. And then it came to me. Use your own high school colors. So I did. First, I wanted to make a few additions to the image. So I drew in pleats on their skirts and customized their shoes. And now I started to color with my Copic markers. And then I quickly got my 0 marker and a cloth and went to work to salvage my piece. You have to scoot the alcohol ink to where you want it as best you can and dab with the cloth. Let it dry and do it again until you think you can continue with your project. Okay, so now I'll let you enjoy the coloring. At this point, I thought I was done with it, but then I realized it just needed some color. So I came back the next day and I added some, and I feel so much better about it. I have a list of all the colors and materials I used down below. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully I've inspired you to make your own cards to share with your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed watching how I made this card. If you like what you saw and you learned a little something along the way, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And please come back and join me next time to see what I'm up to. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.